This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 2 minutes to let capacitors discharge. Next, relieve fuel pressure at the Schrader valve or by pulling the fuel pump fuse and cranking the engine until it stalls. This prevents spray. Once done, remove the rear seat or trunk access panel to expose the fuel module. Make sure to have a drain pan and shop rags ready to catch spills. You'll be working in a small space, so good lighting and a magnet tray for fasteners save time. You now disconnect the electrical connector and fuel lines. Use a quick disconnect tool if fittings resist, and plug lines with rags to limit leak. Then unbolt the retaining ring or screws securing the module. Turn the ring counterclockwise and lift the module straight up because the float arm and sender are fragile. Once out, swap the old pump, filter sock, and O-ring onto the new assembly. Replace all seals to prevent leaks. Make sure filter orientation and wiring routing match the original when reassembling. You seat the new module carefully and torque the retaining ring to spec. Then reconnect fuel lines and the electrical connector, ensuring clips engage. Next, reconnect the battery and turn the key to RUN for several seconds to prime the pump, then check for leaks and listen for a steady pump hum. This confirms pressure. If the engine cranks but won't start, make sure fuel pressure is present and check connector pins and O-rings for leaks. Finally, reinstall the seat and trim when everything is verified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.